Hey you guys, welcome to our room tour. We are at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa here right across the water from Magic Kingdom. We are room 9218. This is a garden view room with 2 queens, so let's check it out. When we first walk in, you have the bathroom on the right. We'll check that out in a minute. You have the closet here on the left. Now we've already put some stuff in it, but you do have some robes right here that are awesome, and a safe and a little thing for luggage. So that's pretty great. Right when you first walk in, you have the bathroom, and it has this double vanity, all this marble, you know, Grand Floridian, and then you have the massive mirror here. And if you turn on this, ooh, big light, hello. And then if you swing around here, we're going to see the toilet and commode area. Look at those towels, I bet they look very fluffy. They're somewhat fluffy. And you have the shower here. It's just a normal shower. They still have the normal things, but it is a shower and bathtub right there. So pretty exciting. Here in the bathroom, you have this little painting of Alice thinking, and that's a nice little touch here in the bathroom. We're gonna kind of enter into the main room. Now we've already set some of our stuff out, but I'll show you a little bit here. You start out, you have a chair, which is very Victorian. I'll kind of zoom out on that chair, which is nice. And then you swing around here, and you do have the 2 beds here. Now you can see we have some stuff on that bed, but I love how there's the wallpaper still. This room is big. It's a big room with those lamps there. And then of course you have the artwork here with the Grand Floridian in it, which is really, really nice looking. As I swing around, you do have a dresser here. And of course you have the drawers there and your TV here, which is great. Coming over here between the beds, you do have some USBs, some plugs. You do have this drawer, which is kind of neat. It's wood, but it looks metallic, and it has that dresser. That looks like Beauty and the Beast. I don't think that's probably intentional, but pretty neat. Then you have this red couch over here that is red, and it's squishy, and that flips into a bed as well. And then you have that like lamp thingy there. And then these curtains are just very Victorian, which are pretty neat. Coming over here, you do have a desk, which is really nice. You do have a Keurig with coffees and a nice box, lots of coffee. Look at that, that's pretty cool. But that is a really nice touch right there, and a mirror right there. Here is our view. We're out on the balcony, and we're right here. Here's a famous red roof. You can't really tell. And we do have a pool view. This is not the main pool. This is just a normal pool. I think it's considered a quiet pool, but it's pretty loud for kids. And then out there you can see the Contemporary. So pretty neat setup out here. Here's the daytime view out our window. It really lets you, or out our window, out our balcony. Kind of really lets you see the beauty of the Grand Floridian right here. And I say the beauty of it, you know, the red roof and the white paint. It's really pretty. Guys, thank you so much for watching this room tour video. This room has been beautiful here at Grand Floridian. I look really forward to at some point when they run kind of a renovation on these rooms, because while they're super nice, there are a few things that I would say, hey, you know, that could be a little bit updated. But other than that, these rooms are gorgeous. You have the beautiful grounds of the Grand Floridian. You know, you have the lake out over here, which is awesome. But hey, if you want to stay here at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, I would love to help you book a trip. Send me an email at ben@keystodreamtravel.com. That email's in the link in the description below. I would love to help you get a stay here booked. The location of this resort, the smell of the lobby, the feel of it is just one of the best that I've ever stayed in. So let me know. And also thank you so much for watching. This means so much. If you don't mind hitting the like button and the subscribe button, that means the world to me. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.